Hello there, I am Tugustu Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Here is the last lesson for grade 8 textbook, which is about output devices. A computer can function for functions or can work for tasks. A computer can input, process, output, and store using the devices. How can input? By using input device like a keyboard and mouse, the basic input device. How can store? By using a storage device, secondary storage device, which is a hard disk. Computer have a hard disk that enable to store. How can produce an output? By using monitor. Sub the main output device for a computer. How can process? By using central processing unit can process a computer. Therefore, it's under computer hardware there are four peripheral devices or four hardware components, which are the input device, the processing device, the storage device, and the last one is output devices. What the function of output devices? The output devices are used to get data out of a computer. These are the devices used to get data out of a computer. How can we get or feed a data to computer system? By using keyboard, we'll input a data to the system or a computer. Then by using CPU, it can process. Then after processing, the output device used to get data out of a computer. By using the output device, we can view the output result. They convert information from computer understandable form to human understandable. What we can say computer understandable means inside the CPU, when you type a letter, for instance, inside the CPU, it is represented in 0 and 1. Every letters, every numbers are represented inside the computer 0 and 1 form. Because the computer is a digital device that can work in binary form. When we come to humans, it understands numerical values, decimal values from 0 to 9, and we can understand only letters. Understandable either in soft copy or hard copy. We can change the soft copy into hard copy using the output device. The output device is a device that helps us to produce the output using the output device, which is in the use of monitor. It's possible to display or to change a soft copy into, a hard copy, a soft copy into hard copy. For instance, a printer can change hard copy, soft copy into hard copy. A printer can change soft copy into hard copy because any information stored inside the computer system is soft copy, and inside on the paper form is hard copy. That it's possible to change soft copy into hard copy by using printer. In case of inside the computer system, everything is in soft copy. That the monitor can display everything that is stored inside the computer system. For example, soft copy is displayed by the monitor and the projector, whereas hard copy is printed using a printer. For example, soft copy is displayed by the monitor and the projector, where the hard copy is printed using a printer. Hard copy is printed using a printer. Means soft copy changed into hard copy by using this device. Therefore, this is an output device. In case of monitor, it displays soft copy. Monitor, printer, plotter, projector, speakers, earphones, and braille readers are some of the output device. Monitor. The monitor output device is used for displaying output to the user. Every computer, when we prepare any computer, microcomputers, laptop, desktop, they have monitor or screen. But we have different types of monitors. We'll see. The monitor is the most frequently used output device. It consists of a display surface called a screen. Here, this is a screen or monitor. We have a variety of screens based on the computer type. We have desktop, laptop, tablet, personal digital assistant or handheld computer, palm top. Therefore, based on the type of computer, we have also types of monitors. Cathode ray tube, CRT, the liquid crystal display, the light emitting diode, gas plasma monitor are the type of monitor. The first one, cathode ray tube monitor, CRT. CRT is a technology used in traditional computer monitors and televisions. Traditional computer monitors and televisions, we use CRT type of monitor. Here is an example of computer using CRT monitor, similar to television. It have some spaces at the back side. It is made of for element phosphorus. The second one is liquid crystal display. Nowadays in laptop, all laptops have this type of display, and some desktop computers come with this type of monitor type. Liquid crystal display is the most commonly used device in digital watches, clocks, calculators, smartphones, desktop computers, laptops, and televisions. An example of television using LCD, smartphones, calculators, clocks, televisions have also nowadays with flat screen TVs, flat screen computers have made of liquid crystal display. The light emitting diode stands for light emitting diode. LED monitors, sometimes called LED backlight monitors, have great color and image quality, but it does not have a good response time. Based on the quality, the cost or the price also increase. It is a flat screen computer monitor, which stands for light emitting diode. Display lightweight in terms of weight. Nowadays, wide number of electronic devices, both large and small devices such as laptop screens, mobile phones, TV computer monitors, tablets, and more LED display. Light emitted diode. And the last type of monitor is gas plasma monitor. Gas plasma monitor uses neon gas. They are made from the element neon gas instead of liquid crystal. The neon gas glows and produces the pixel of those that force a picture. It is used on older portable computer and television. And other type of output device is printer. Changes soft copy into hard copy. The printer is an output device that enables us to produce a hard copy of data or information. It has different speed, capabilities, and printing methods. Printers are divided into two classes based on their print. Impact printer and non-impact. The impact printers, example, dot matrix printer and daisy wheel printer. They have noisy, they have less quality compared with that of non-impact printers. When it prints letter by letter or character by character in case of impact printer. The non-impact printer they prints line by line. That they have a better quality comparing with that of impact printer. They are not noisy. The inkjet printer, laser printer, thermal printers. When you come to in case of impact printer, they are similar to the previous era of typewriter. They have sounds that they are noisy. They disturb the environment. In case of non-impact printer, they print line by line, and they are thermal printer. May have also colored based and white based color. I mean black and white printer types. That comparing with that of impact printer, non-impact printers, they are better quality of printing quality comparing with that of impact printer. The other type of output device is plotter used to produce high quality. It changes soft copy into hard copy, but the material it uses differs. In case of large size papers and in case of banners, we use this type of device to print out. Plotter used to produce high quality drawings such as bar charts, maps, and banners. Produce high quality particular documents or large size papers which most printers cannot handle. And a speaker is another type of output device that helps to output sound from the system. Unlike that of microphone. In case of microphone, it helps us to input a record to the system. Therefore, microphone is an input device, speaker is an output device. For today is enough. Thank you. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I will continue next time, the next chapter, which is Unit 3.